The Tesla Science Foundation in Philadelphia awarded the project a gold medal. In this adventurous quest, the players visit places which Tesla himself visited. While going through scientific rooms, scientific conferences, visiting Niagara Falls, and even meeting Tesla's pigeon. While using avatars of young scientists, they are tasked with collecting as many of Tesla's inventions as possible. Using the inventions they collect, the goal is to put together the photo of the Tesla coil, one of the most significant of Tesla's inventions. 2 to 4 players can take part in the game. Each player chooses an avatar, selecting from the 4 young male scientists and the 4 young female scientists. The game can be played with or without the help of smart devices. If using smart devices, QR codes help bring the adventure to life using animations. If playing without smart devices, the deck of instructional cards are used to enjoy the game. The player who is first able to put together the photo of Tesla's coil gets a recognizable achievement. Accept the challenge, Tesla's Science Race. Pertini Toys.